Welcome to Nina Designs. Today we're going to learn how to make extra secure crimp connections. Take your thread with your finished piece and thread on your crimp, and then thread the thread through your clasp or your chain, whatever you want to connect to, and we're going to wrap around. After we thread back through the crimp, we're going to make an extra loop. This is the super cool tip that will prevent your crimps from coming loose, from slipping loose after you trim them. We're going to make a little loop and we're going to pull it through, pull it tight as you can. And when you're done, you'll see that there's an extra loop of wire showing around the crimp. So you're going to have to use a crimp cover, but there's an extra layer of security here that really makes this worth it. Now we're going to flatten the crimp and add the crimp cover after we've trimmed the wire. And the crimp cover covers that extra little loop of thread. And there you've got a super secure piece of jewelry you don't have to worry about. This is also a great tip to use with leather. To finish a leather necklace, we're going to poke a hole in the leather and then draw the thread through the hole in the leather and add a crimp. And we're going to use this same technique where we make an extra little loop. And you want to make sure that the crimp is down at the part of the wire where you want it. And then we're going to flatten the crimp. And trim the excess thread or wire. And then instead of using a crimp cover, we're just going to fold the flap back and glue it. And that will hide your crimp. This is a very elegant way if you want to use deer hide for the backs of your necklaces. There you go. A nice, elegant finish. And don't worry about the glue, it will dry clear. Enjoy and visit us at ninadesigns.com.